Good morning and welcome to my winter wonderland. We had a skiff of snow when I went to bed last night. And I woke up to this. A little bit of icicles forming already. Oh. And here's Snow Dog. Caden the brave soul is trekking out to try to fix the internet.
I did it earlier.
For his mother.
Now look.
It doesn't look that snowy. The power's glitched out like 4 times and now the internet's not working.
It's gonna be like that because look, see how thick it is? The snow falling down.
Well, all of our lights are coming back online. And they weren't before, so that's good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get this fire back going. The kids brought me in some enormous kindling, so let's see how this works out. We had a fire going all night and it was like blazing hot in here. So it's still pretty warm in here. So it's not that big of a deal, but we're definitely gonna want one today. Let's see how this goes.
Wait.
And of course Liberty's like right here. Could use some more on this side. Kindling thief. We're catching pretty good. And Mr. Caden here is also doing his math. How's that going?
Okay.
Here's Dylan doing chores, getting the chickens water in shorts in a snowstorm.
See my trail?
I do see your trail.
I made a network.
And he's already shoveled this walk for us. Good job, Dylan.
Thank you.
Hey, since you're out there, let's measure how deep the snow is. I can't find the ruler. Let's put this stick in and mark it and we'll see how deep it is.
Okay.
So go find untouched snow to stick it in. And then mark it on the ruler and bring it in and we'll measure it. All right, we have 10 inches and that's the conservative estimate because I think it's actually to the top of this wet mark. Dylan's gonna give us some djembe music this morning to set the mood. Let's hear it, Dylan.
I'm just playing it quiet so they can work still.
Dylan can't log on to his Zoom meetings because the internet's out. Dylan always gets these wild ideas, and today he decided the rabbits needed to come in the house. So we've never actually seen him in this little cage before, and believe it or not, big old Jim Bob already fit inside that little area. Do it again, Jim Bob. Do it again.
Do it again.
And Liberty is not too sure about all of this. She's like, this is my house, rabbits. And she's in.
It's okay. She's wiggling around in there. Dang, you chunky little.
Yeah, I don't think you're both gonna fit.
I think you popped it.
He's like, I want to come in too.
She's like, no.
Look, Liberty's like, I want a carrot.
Don't
They
go
just want to go back in there.
Look, you want a carrot?
Eat Schmib.
Too much to explore.
Back here, come on.
Is she eating it? Liberty's like, I want whatever you have.
Look. She loves these things. Look, now Jim Bob wants some. He's like, what's up, man? Hey, you want some, Jim Bob?
Look, she's like, I'm gonna eat it out of your
She's taking
mouth.
his. Ready?
Liberty. Hey.
Do you want some or do you not want some? Jim Bob.
Daddy loves them.
Chewing.
She's over there inhaling them.
Yeah, look, she's eating them off the floor.
I'll force feed you. Eat the carrot. Oh, there you go. Oh, there we go. Kibitz.
He likes it.
So the power's been out for a while now, and we've just been working on school, and now we're gonna do a craft project Madeline's been dying to do. So blow that balloon up a little bit. Okay? Oh, your balloon's squeaking. Put your funnel in the balloon, and you're gonna dump in some floral beads. Oh, it told you in the instructions. It said to blow up the balloon a little bit first, but I would think when you put your funnel
probably
in,
make it wider.
it's going to.
Can I just not blow it
Yeah.
up? Like, that's pretty tough. Yeah. There we go.
Okay. Now hold on to it so it doesn't. Yeah, put it on the counter so it doesn't.
And I would hold the balloon.
Ooh, look at this.
And you're just gonna fill it up as full as you want your balloon, and it's gonna be like a water bead stress ball.
And we got these ones, so it's cooler.
Yeah, they have confetti and they're see-through.
I like this full. Woo! Look at this.
So this is her stress ball. Give it a squeeze. Does it feel cool?
Oh yeah. You see the little confetti in there.
Very cool. Now Dylan's in the kitchen making one. That looks cool with the confetti.
I know.
And then we have this.
Look how big it is.
Hold it still so we can see how big this is. This is Dylan's stress ball.
That's a mama right there.
Oh, that's the black stuff is the little confetti flakes.
All right. I had some curry leftovers from dinner last night that I wanted for lunch, and I'm going to try to heat them up on this wood stove. I've never tried to cook or heat anything on here, so I'm kind of excited. So this summer, I want to backpack, and I've been buying like burners to cook on, and we got some dehydrated food to try, and we thought, what a better time than right now to see if we can figure out how to work it. So this is the propane. All right, should we probably do this on the floor or the table, or where do you think we should do this? We have all of our art projects out, and Madeline's eating some chips. So,
I don't know if this is off. You know what? Oh.
and over here, my curry is just sizzling away, so I think this is gonna heat up just fine, and a lot faster than I thought it would. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's sizzling. So I'd say it's done. Oh! Haha! It's on! Is that how you do it?
Yes, I think so.
Is it bad that my 12-year-old son is teaching me how to do this? Oh, it's on! All right, and then I have my pot of pre-measured water right there.
I don't want to burn this. It's a really nice little guy.
Is it bouncing? Ooh. We'll see how long this takes to heat up. So the first thing we're gonna do is Mountain House Adventure Meals, biscuits and gravy. So we're gonna add 1.5 cups of boiling water to this once it's boiling. Ooh, it's getting there. And we thought it's probably not a great idea to have propane going in the house. So after we dump this in here, that's the biscuits and gravy, we'll probably take it outside to boil the next one. Oh, Kaden, it's ready. Did you want to dump it or did you want me to? That was actually really fast. Is the handle hot? Yeah, turn off the burner.
Ooh, up there it is.
Well, do you need a glove?
Yeah.
Okay, that was dangerous. And then when you're done, put it back on the burner, not on the table, because that's something I would do. And then seal it up tight. And then I think we let it sit like 5 minutes. All right, outside this time. We're gonna be a little bit safer. And we've got it set up out here on the porch. This is going into our scrambled eggs. All right, this one is scrambled eggs. And since we're outside, we turned it up and it's already nearly boiling. That was really fast. All right, this one's ready to pour. And Kaden has like a real glove on this time.
No, not a hot pad. Woo. Spitting.
All right, I think the biscuits and gravy should be done. Last time I opened it and stirred it, there was a lot of water left, so. Ooh, there's still a bunch of liquid. I wonder if that's the gravy, though. I bet you that's the gravy. All right.
Fish me.
Oh, whoa, what is that?
That would be biscuits and gravy. So I'll just give you each a little bit.
Biscuits
Now I know
and
why
gravy?
Iker's got
See
balls.
how you like it.
Whoa.
We'll give it a taste and see how everybody likes it. All right. Dylan put his in his chip bag. I'm going to see taste tests.
Might be a little too hot to try.
Don't mind that mattress. It's looking for a home. Is it good?
Found a home in my belly.
The chunks that look like potatoes are the biscuits.
Yeah, I thought they were potatoes.
How is it?
I haven't.
Oh,
I'm just like barely sipping because it's hot.
well, Madeline's chawing down. Is it good? Like, is it something
yeah.
you'd want
It
to...
has a little less
good.
flavor than normal, but
All right, taste test time. See the little bits of sausage? See the biscuits? See me burn myself?
I like it.
Could have gone a little longer.
I think it tastes better than the normal stuff you make. Not in a mean way, just.
Not too bad, though. I could eat that again. That's not too bad. All right, scrambled eggs time. That's a little chunk of bacon. Ooh, I smell the bacon.
Wow, those look
Look,
pale.
it smells like bacon.
That's so pale.
Ooh, that one has lots of bacon.
Mmm.
So the biscuits and gravy were pretty much a hit. We'll see how the eggs go over. Madeline? Uh-oh. That's not a good face. What are you thinking?
They're not that good.
They're not
And
that
the
good?
Give me some of
texture's
that stuff.
super like
Here, try this
wet
one.
and spongy.
All right, Dylan.
The bacon's
good
not
to use.
wonderful either.
So this is not a winner. Blow on it. It might be hot. Look at the camera. What do you think?
The eggs kind of taste like.
All right.
sponges.
Let's see.
I know.
Okay. I mean, it's not the worst thing I've ever had.
I know, right?
Oh, it's so soft.
So the biscuits and gravy were better.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the
Okay.
bacon in there.
Mmm. The bacon tastes like bacon bits.
It's kind of flavorless.
Like, they're not real bacon bits.
If I was hiking
But
all day, I
soft.
would eat this.
Yeah, me too. Well, the good thing is, I know that this cooker works amazing. And I actually used this and I filled it up with snow to dump in some of our dirty dishes so that it could melt down and they could soak. So now I'll put this back in my backpack for next spring. No. He's got some slipping and sliding. This is our first time plowing in like actual deep snow. The last snow we plowed in was just a skiff. I know you can't see Kid because of the tree, but there's a giant snow mountain in front of me that I don't want to walk in. Uh-oh, he's spinning. We didn't know how this would work with Caden being so lightweight. We might have to get some chains or get a heavier person. That is a lot of snow. It's trying. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Caden's so light, it's just slipping all over, but he made it. He made it up the hill. Dylan's been trying to snowboard all morning. And that's usually how it ends. No, stop it.
You ready?
I'm ready. Hey, you made it. Oh my gosh, this rock's like frozen here. Should put gloves on. That was in my head. Is it just me or does it smell like skunk out here?
Smells like skunk.
Dylan's giving her a try now. Well, it worked, but only kind of, sorta. So the boys are finishing out making up a manageable path for Junior to come home to. And this is the back porch. I think I'll work on this a little bit. Looking good. And night has fallen. I don't even know if you can see anything. I've got a little bit of candles over there. We've got the wood stove over here. And then in the wood stove, I don't know, I'm trying to shine my light. I've got, or in the wood, on the wood stove, I had some leftover rice. So I'm throwing in some butter and some salt. And I'm gonna mix that around while I kind of forage through the cupboards and see what else we have. So we've got headlamps and very few candles and some flashlights. And we have power. The lights came back on. So it's about 5:15, and so we were out of power since like 9:45 this morning till about 5:15 tonight. And our rice is just about done on the wood stove, and I had brought my pan over and I was getting ready to do some pancakes and eggs. Madeline thinks we should just turn the lights back off and keep pretending like we don't have power. Huh, Madeline? So, but I guess this wraps up our power outage vlog, so thanks for watching.